How to make GIFs online. A GIF is a small animated image file often used for sharing jokes, reactions and memes. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn any video file into a GIF in just a few simple steps. First, I'll show you how to upload your video to an online editor, how to cut and trim the length of your clip, how to resize the video for socials, how to add some text, and how to export the final product. So without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, open up your internet browser and head over to VEED.io. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free, and I've left a link to VEED down in the video description. Once you're set up on the home page, select upload your video, then upload a file. Now select your video clip from your computer and hit open. And once it's uploaded, you'll see your clip sitting down in the video timeline. It's worth noting that you can use any kind of video file or format with VEED, whether it's a screen recording or something you've made on your phone. You can even upload an existing GIF file that you want to customize. Now that my file is uploaded, I want to use the editor to make my clip a little bit shorter. And to do that, I'm just going to select my video clip in the timeline and then hover my cursor over the front end of the clip like so. And then I'm just going to click and drag it to take away as much of the front of the clip as I want. And I can do exactly the same with the end of the clip as well, just by hovering my cursor and then clicking and dragging it. And when I finish removing what I want, I'll just select the clip again and drag it to the front of the timeline like so. Now I want to change the video shape. The most common shape for a GIF is a square, and to change it into that aspect ratio, all you need to do is go over to settings over on the left-hand side. And then in the drop-down menu under size, you can select from all of the options in that list. I'm just going to select square. And as you can see, it automatically changed the shape of my canvas into that square shape. You can leave your video with these black bars on the top and bottom, but I want to fill the frame with my clip, and you could do that very easily just by selecting your clip on the canvas, and then over on the left-hand side under transformations, just select fill the canvas. And that has now got rid of those black bars on the top and bottom. Next, I want to add some text. Over in the left-hand toolbar, I'm going to select text, and that opens up the text edit window. And you'll see that there are a lot of different presets that I can add on top of my GIF. I'm just going to select headline title, which automatically drops a text box on top of my video canvas. And now I can write what I want my text to say. So I'm just going to put add text. And underneath that, I can select from a list of fonts. I can change the size of my text. I can change the color like so. And over on the video canvas, I can select my text and click and drag it to wherever I want it to be within the frame. And you can also click and drag the corners of the text box like so to adjust the size even more. And you can change the timing for when your text appears on screen by going down to the video timeline, select your text box like so, and just like you did with the video clip earlier, just click and drag the ends of the text box like so, and I'm going to drag mine to the length of my video clip. You can also add some extra effects by going over to elements over on the left-hand side. And in here, you can add shapes, you can add emojis, you can add progress bars. And when you're finished editing, just go to the top right-hand corner of the editor and select export, and then export video. And the editing software will now render out your final file. Once it's finished, you can review your final video by pressing play over on the left-hand side. And if you're happy, just go over to the right and under download MP4, use the little arrow to change the option to download GIF. And once you see that on the button, select it and it will download your final GIF file to your computer. But if you want to upload your GIF to your Instagram feed, you need to download it as an MP4 file, and you can change it back to that option just by selecting the arrow. Once again, select download MP4, and now you can select that to download your GIF as a video file instead. And that is how to make a GIF from any video online. If you found this video useful, make sure you leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.